guys, so this is my first Halloween tutorial for this year. I did so many of them last year and I love them. They're exciting. You can just kind of like get into the character. So I was actually inspired from Pinterest. I saw this girl who did it, so I was like, okay, I want to do something like that. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how I did this look, keep on watching. Okay, so far I have foundation on. I'm using the NYX Dropper foundation just because it's super thin. I'm going to start off by getting the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. It's just white. And I'm going to be warming it up in my fingers. Just start by highlighting first, just so I can add like the shadow over it. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Cream Gel Eyeliner. It's really easy to use. A little goes a long way. So I'm going to put it on my brows and then I'm going to start creating the other shades on my face. Just kind of was trying not to make this part too big, but I like the size of it. Now I'm going to move on to this part right here so I can make it, you know, chisel. So I switched from like the gel, from the e.l.f. cream gel to like this little paint, body paint that I got last year from Party City, I believe. The picture, I can't see if like she did it all the way or she faded. It looks like she faded a little, but I'm just going to go all the way with it instead. So I'm going to go a little bit down here to create that little shadow and like the double chin and everything. We are now going to move on to the eyes. Grab this nudish color right here. The reason why I'm using this is just so I can have like a very smoky look and it helps with the blending. So I'm not putting too much of it, just going to be applying it the first shade. And then I'm just going to go like on the bottom too. You guys already know me. I love this palette. It's amazing. Wrong side. The Bella Noir collection. All these beautiful colors. And they have black right here. So I'm going to be grabbing this color. Whoop, whoop. There you go. I'm going to be picking up that black. You know the drill. So I'm going to be grabbing the fluffy again. And I'm going to start adding it.
Trying to 69 like Takashi, call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep it from New York, so
okay, so now that I have like the blending part in, I'm gonna go with the small fluffy brush. So the other one's like really fat. Where you at though? Where you at? Oh, there you are. So see how like more fatter this one is compared to this one. I don't know if it makes a difference for you guys, but it makes a huge difference for me. This one's a little bit more dense in the tip right here in the root. So it's more like, you know, a little bit more focused in one area. And I'm going to be grabbing more black again, packing that on the crease more. Because this is all over the lid. And then now I'm going to be like more on the crease. I'm grabbing a pencil brush just so I can go ahead and make it on the bottom lash line. Alright, so now I will be grabbing this NYX Jumbo Pencil, and this one's in the black. I'm going to be putting on the waterline. See like the difference? I don't know if you can see the difference of it. And then I'm just going to put a little bit on the eyelid just so I can darken it up more right there. But I'm not putting it up there just because I want that blended look. So I'm just putting it strictly just on the eyelid part. The top part of her eye, she has it like shading up. So I'm just going to start doing that also. And then it connects with the brow. Because I'm using a pencil brush, it's more focused on that area. And now I'm going with the fluffy brush. Just kind of like creating that shade. I didn't even pick up any more color. I'm just kind of like from the color here, just kind of spreading it out. The fun part, which is the glitter. I bought this last year for my alien costume, and I used so much glitter for that outfit, and I still have so much. Look at that. So it was so worth it. I think it was like 10 bucks for it, and I was like, me dolió el codo, pero sí me duró. I'm gonna go grab like a little plate, paper plate, so I can put a little bit glitter and then put glue on a little, you know. I'm gonna use the NYX glitter primer to put on my brows and like the inner part of my eyes. But for my lips, I feel like I would be really uncomfortable with it, so I'm gonna put Vaseline. And then I'm gonna try it and see how I feel about it so I can put the glitter on. And then I was gonna put it like little by little, but I think I'm just gonna kiss the plate and then get whatever's on it because I feel like that's faster and easier. So yeah, I'll get that on video so you guys can just see it. Oh my gosh, that's too much. That's like a lot. Oh my goodness, I don't like it anymore. It ruined. Whatever. Keep moving on. I didn't think this through. The Vaseline is too much. Look at this. It's too much. It's not cute at all. Got some in my mouth. So what I did, I kissed too much like this. So you see where the pink part is at? Like, don't do too much of it. Just kind of like do a little like, or put your lips in a little like, and then kiss it. I think it's best if you just kind of build it instead. So you just grab some with the sponge and just kind of pack it so you don't have too much. But oh well, I'm going to work with what I got now. I'm going to be coloring this in here. You scare me. I feel like my eyes got more reddish brown. I'm gonna be grabbing the NYX glitter primer and I'm gonna start like applying it where I need to apply. She didn't put it like on the edge of the brow. She put it more like in the middle. Thicker glitter ones, she put it like more right here. And then the little ones that I have on my lips, she put a little bit over here. Okay, so my camera had died, so I had to like charge the battery real quick. So all you missed was that I put these lashes on. You can't really tell anyways, but I don't know if you can see it now. These are the Cocoa lashes in the style Muse. Now I'm gonna put like some of the glitter primer here and then apply glitter. And then with my finger, I'm just gonna kind of like rub it in. Alright guys, so that is it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like it. And I will make the playlist down below so you guys can see all the other tutorials I did last year. I'll put in my description box so you guys can see which ones you guys like. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Without a good scare,
That's our job
but we're not mean
in our town.